वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले ये थोड़े से आपके सामने कमेंट्स हैं, ये कमेंट्स जरा सा अच्छे से रीड कर लो। ये कमेंट्स हैं कि मेरी जो प्रेडिक्शन थी फॉर 27th ऑफ जुलाई एग्जाम रिगार्डिंग जनरल ट्रेनिंग एंड रिगार्डिंग एकेडमिक रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग बोथ वर 100% करेक्ट। इवन जो मैंने थोड़े दिन पहले ही जनरल ट्रेनिंग वालों के लिए लेटर टास्क 1 का मैंने सैंपल आंसर बना के आपको सिखाया था, वो बिल्कुल 98% आपको वैसे ही लेटर एग्जाम में देखने को मिली। सो दिस इज अगेन दी प्रेडिक्शन फॉर 8 अगस्त 2024 आईएलटीएस एग्जाम। तो इस प्रेडिक्शन को मिक्स करने की गलती मत करना, क्योंकि हमारी predictions normally 99 to 100% these are accurate predictions. So hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. My name is Amandeep Kaur, and in this video we are going to discuss the predictions for 8 August 2024 IELTS exam. And on 8th August both academic and general training IELTS exams are going to be conducted. So starting with the overall level of the IELTS exam on 8th August, so that I think is going to be little bit between moderate to difficult. 27 July, the exam was little bit from easy to moderate, but some students find reading little bit difficult in case of academic IELTS exam. So it is predicted that on 8th August, the overall level for academic and for general training is going to be little bit between moderate to difficult level. So starting with the listening module, first of all, listening is same for first of all for both academic as well as for general training candidates. So overall level of listening module is going to be little bit between easy to moderate. Listening is always easy except for section 3, and some students find section 4 quite difficult. So starting with listening section 1. In listening section 1, you will basically come across one word and or a number sentence completion types of questions. And the best part about listening section 1 is that you have to complete these 10 questions in 2 different parts. So you normally get enough time to read the questions, to understand the questions, to mark down the keywords, and therefore you can easily score 10 on 10 in listening section 1, as this is the social conversation between 2 people and the audio goes quite smooth. You can easily understand the words, the languages and everything. And obviously there are some things that you should definitely keep in your mind, like singular answers or plural answers. You have to use capital letters only in your answers, and many more like this. And talking about listening section 2. In listening section 2, there are 3 types of questions that are basically very important. So those include double or multiple choice questions, more than where you have to choose more than one option. Apart from this, matching information and map is also quite common and important for listening section 2. So in listening section 2 also, there are short multiple choice questions, but you have to choose more than one options. So here the trick I suggest to my all students is that you have to eliminate the wrong answers by correctly hearing the contradictory, by focusing on the contradictory words. This is the exact technique that normally I teach to my students, and this is very beneficial. Many students have scored 7 above by using this technique. So this is all about listening section 2. For moving on to the difficult part of the listening module, that is listening section 3. So in listening section 3, you will come across 5 long multiple types of questions and 5 matching the information types of questions. So as you can observe that there are 5 multiple choice questions that are quite long in listening section 3, and what you can do here is that don't read the answers of section 2 when the audio says now you have some time to check your answers. Instead, read multiple choice questions, and if possible read them twice so that the keywords can fit in your mind. You can mainly focus on contradictory words. You can easily eliminate the wrong answers so that you can easily get the correct answers. So moving on to listening section 4. In listening section 4, basically 31 to 40 questions, you will come across all fill in the blank types of questions, and these are very easy and very important. So here the tip is that you should mark down the subheadings. There are always subheadings in listening section 4. So marking down the subheadings will help you to keep on the track with the audio so that you don't miss any answer. Second tip for listening section 4 is that must mark with the words before the blank and words after the blank, as these are 99% synonyms. So focus on words before the blank and words after the blank. So if you want to score 7 and above in your IELTS listening, make sure you get section 1 and section 4 all correct. So you all in all, you get 20 out of 20 very easily. So scoring 30 plus in listening module is not that tough. You can do this with practice. So also I have started a series of Cambridge listenings on my YouTube channel. I have already uploaded 2 listening videos. Must watch those videos, practice those videos. Cambridge listenings are very very important. Mainly the level of IELTS exam in listening module is comparatively same as that in the Cambridge books. So that's why I have started uploading Cambridge listening test also on my YouTube channel. I have created a separate playlist on listening. So must prepare all those listening, practice all those listenings as well. So talking about the academic reading on the next part. So considering the academic reading on 27th July, it was quite difficult for some students, whereas some students find section 1 and section 2 quite easy, and section 3 was definitely a little bit difficult for many of the candidates. So in on 27th July, it is predicted that the level of IELTS academic reading again will be between moderate to difficult. So you have to be 200% prepared. 200% you should be prepared if you want to score, if you want to achieve your target band score. So in academic reading, section 1 is very, 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 very important. In section 1, you may come across 7 true false not given and 6 to 7 sentence completion types of questions. And the good thing about reading academic section 1 is that all the questions are in sequence, all the answers are always in order. If you find the one answer, you will automatically find the rest of the answers. So you can easily score 13 on 13 academic reading section 1. Must practice as much as you can and focus on section 1. No matter what, you should score 13 on 13 listening section 1 if you want to achieve your target band scores. So moving on to academic reading section 2. So in academic reading section 2, you will come across 3 different types of questions, which might include, you can say, which paragraph contains the following information, double or single, multiple choice questions, list of headings, sentence completions, writer's opinion. These are very common and important types of questions for academic reading section 2. And for this, I will suggest you that must practice at least matching the information, writer's opinion, and sentence completion types of questions, as these are very, 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 very important. Moving on to listening section 3. In listening section 3, again, you may come across 3 different types of questions, which may include, you can say, multiple choice questions, list of headings, yes, no, not given, and again, summary based sentence completion types of questions are very important for reading section 3. And if you are having any difficulty in reading section, any reading question type, comment me in the comment sections below. I will definitely make a video for you for academic candidates as well, to help you understand different techniques and strategies for understanding different types of questions. So overall, the level of academic reading exam will be between moderate to difficult. So all in all, to conclude, there are 4 different types of questions that are very important that you should prepare, and those include sentence completion, true false not given, matching information, list of headings, and writer's opinion. These 5 types of questions are very very important, and even sentence endings, matching these sentence endings are very important, as on 27th July there were sentence endings in listening section 3. So sentence endings are also very very important. So now talking about general training reading. So general training reading is very very easy. The thing is that the marking criteria, this criteria of giving you band is quite different as compared to academic reading. So you need to score more than 30 marks in order to score 36 plus bands for general training reading. So general training reading in section 1, you will come across true, false, and matching the information types of questions. These are very, 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 very easy types of questions. And I will be uploading videos on how to solve different types of questions in my upcoming videos, in my upcoming days. So if you are new to my channel, must subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new notification, any new video. As you have seen in the starting that my predictions are 100% correct. So, and I keep on uploading one video every day regarding general training also, academic also, and one listening video every day I am uploading. So don't miss any of my videos. This will benefit you a lot. And So these are very, very, very easy. In reading general training section 2, you will come across all 13 sentence completion types of questions. So these are also very important. अगर आपको 13 questions सिर्फ sentence completion के ही exam में आ रहे हैं, that means you can understand that how important are sentence completion types of questions for general training reading, as section 2 is completely based on sentence completions only. So talking about general training reading section 3. In reading section 3, you will come across 3 different types of questions, and among which sentence completions are for 100% sure. You will definitely come across 3 to 4 sentence completion types of questions in reading section 3 as well. So all in all, you will get minimum 15 sentence completion types of questions for general training reading. So if your target score is 4 or 5, must prepare sentence completions questions type. And even if your target is 7 plus, your target is 9, then also sentence completions are very, very, very important for all of you. And moving on to listening, reading section 3, you will come across 3 different types of questions, which will include list of headings, multiple choice questions, writer's opinion, and which paragraph contains the following information. Any 2 out of these 4 are for 100% sure. Any 2 out of these 4 types are 100% sure. And again, in my upcoming videos, I will be uploading various videos on how to solve different types of questions for your 8th August exam prediction. So must subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any new video. So talking about academic writing section 1. For academic writing section 1, you will come across different type of graph. Different types of graphs are very important. Like you may come across line graph, you may come across the bar chart, table chart, pie chart, or combination of any 2. These are very, very, very important. But don't forget about the map and process diagram as well, as I am making the global prediction. So map and process chart, you should also prepare these questions as well. And talking about the writing section 2, for writing section 2, discussion type essay, opinion type essay, and problem solution essay. These 3 types of essays are very, very important. And if you want the videos on writing task 2, do comment me in the comment sections below. I will definitely come up with different types of writing task 2 questions, how to answer the writing task 2 questions according to the IDP format, so that you can score 7 and above in your writing task as well. So talking about general training writing section 1, there are 3 types of letter, in which semi-formal letter, formal letter, and informal letter. These are the 3 types of letters, and uploaded 2 videos on informal and formal letter as well, and I will be uploading more videos on these letters. And on 27 July, the letter that I made a video on was 98% same that coming 7 July IELTS exam. So must watch all my videos. So talking about general training writing task 2, you may come across discussion type of essay, positive or negative development type of essay, opinion type essay, and problem solution type of essay. These types of essays are very, very important. Again, if you want me to make a video on essay writing task 2, must comment in the comment sections below. And talking about the last module, that is the speaking module, I have already uploaded various videos on speaking sample answers as well, with sample answers. So I have basically videos covered all the cue cards related to person with some 1 sample answers, all the cue cards related to places with again 1 sample answer, all the cue cards related to difficult time again with 1 sample answer, and again all the cue cards related to time in 1 sample answer. I have covered all these cue cards. And for upcoming exams, there will be new cue cards also, which I will be uploading on my YouTube as well. So do subscribe this video, like this video, share this video as much as you can. And in my every prediction video, I give a very generous offer to all my subscribers, and the offer is that I will be guiding you free of cost. If you have booked your exam for 8th August, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can message me or you can call me on my WhatsApp number. If you want to ask me anything, if you have doubts in any of the 4 modules, if you want to ask me anything regarding any module and any query you want to clear, you can call me, you can message me on my WhatsApp number anytime. I will guide you free of cost. So I always, in my prediction videos, I always guide my students, my subscribers, free of cost. You just have to like this video, share this video with your friends, and you have to subscribe my channel if you want free guidance from me. सो अगर आपको इस वीडियो से कुछ अच्छा सीखने को मिला हो, कुछ इंफॉर्मेटिव लगा हो, डू लाइक दिस वीडियो, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स, एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल and hit that bell icon for latest notifications, and so that then stay happy, stay healthy, and all the very best for your IELTS exam.